Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a poor boy named Jack. He lived with his mother in a tiny cottage. They were so poor that one day they had nothing left to eat. Jack's mother said, "Jack, we must sell our cow at the market. It's the only way to buy food." Jack took the cow to the market, but on the way he met a strange old man. The old man said, "Hello, young boy. I see you have a fine cow. I will give you 5 magic beans for her." Jack asked, "Magic beans? Are they really magic?" The old man smiled. "Oh yes, plant them tonight and you'll see wonders." Jack, curious and excited, agreed and gave the cow to the old man. When he returned home, his mother cried, "Oh, Jack, you foolish boy!" She threw the beans out the window. The next morning, Jack woke up to see a giant beanstalk reaching into the clouds. "Wow, I have to see where it goes," said Jack. He climbed and climbed until he reached a magical land above the clouds. There stood a huge castle. "I wonder who lives here," Jack thought. Suddenly, the ground shook. Thump, thump, thump. A loud voice roared, "Fee, fi, fo, fum, I smell the blood of an Englishman." Jack quickly hid. Inside the castle, he saw a hen that laid golden eggs and a magical harp that could sing. "If I take these home, Mother and I will never be poor again," Jack whispered. Jack waited until the giant fell asleep. Then he grabbed the hen and the harp and ran to the beanstalk. But the harp suddenly cried out, "Master, master!" The giant woke up and chased Jack down the beanstalk. "Mother, bring me the axe!" Jack shouted. With one strong swing, chop! The beanstalk broke. The giant fell down and disappeared forever. Jack's mother smiled and said, "Oh, Jack, you were so brave and clever." From that day on, Jack and his mother lived happily, never hungry again. Stars, moral, courage, and smart thinking help you overcome challenges.